Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, then please keep on watching, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm creating this some bomb content, and also I hope you all will like it.
So let's just begin with the video. I haven't cried, I have applied lens, that's why my eyes are a little watery. So I have already prepped my skin with a moisturizer. Now it is from Fit Me Maybelline. It's a matte poreless primer. It is infused with a clay. If you have pores, you can surely go with this. I like the finish, that's why I'm using this. I'm just taking a little amount in my hand and then I'm just going to use a blender and blend my face. A little bit of product, as you can see.
Now I'm just fast forwarding to make it a little quick and easy for you all to understand.
So I feel it's done. I've applied. Now I'm just simple. Now I'm using here a foundation again from Maybelline Super Stay. I love this foundation. This doesn't make it look cakey and it is also very light. So you guys can try it. I'm using here shade 310 Sun Peach. So yeah, I'll just take a little amount. I hope you guys can see. Very little because I again on my blender. And then I'm just going to apply it on my face. So I'm just going to apply it in a line format so that it's easier to apply.
Now just quickly blend into your skin.
And also don't forget your neck area. At the end it's going to turn out really nice. So stay tuned till the end. I hope it's getting recorded. This compact from Faces Canada. It is a weightless day matte compact. It has SPF 20 and vitamin E and shea butter. It's really nice. You guys can give it a try. I'm just using this compact. It's in the shade Ivory. I hope you guys can see. I'm just gonna take a little, set it under my eye. Like I'm just going to do it on my T-zone. I'm just going to let it sit like for a nice few minutes. Till then we'll start with our eyes. We'll start with our eye makeup. So I'm just done with Maybelline's palette. This is the best base palette. You get two best palettes for the nudes. For base eyeshadow, this is the best palette. It is from Maybelline. You can surely give it a try. And also the palette name is 24K. So first I'm gonna use this nude color, nude peach color. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and then I'm just gonna pat it dry. And then I'm just gonna start applying towards. I hope you guys can see. So I'm just gonna apply the base eyeshadow. I'm gonna keep it very simple, very glowy. And then I have taken a lot of amount on the brush, so I'm just gonna use it on both the eyes. So I think my base is done. It's pretty quick and it's done.
So here I'm using a Huda Beauty nude palette and taking a pink shade, a base pink shade, then again a transition shade and a glitter shade. I'll be showing you the shade once I'm done with the eye look. Also just blend nicely to transform it into one color and to show the transitions. And also I'm going to do it a little quick here. Obviously you can take your time and do it. Just make sure that you blend it nicely Now I'm just dusting out the powder which we have left to set and removing all the fallouts from the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a very small tip brush and applying the same eyeshadows under my eyes at the waterline to create a nice effect on my eyes and to enhance it. Under that, I'm gonna go offline camera and do my kajal. I'm gonna do a reverse kajal, which is like an eyeliner effect. So now my eyes are completed. Now I'm just going to apply eyeliner. Now it's done. So now you all can have a look of the eye.
Okay, so like from Maybelline again is the shade pink. Yeah, it's the shade pink. I really love this. So let's get started. Look at how this looks. So amazing.
Okay, so now I'm fast forwarding it because I don't want the video to be too long. So to begin with, I'm gonna apply the highlighter strobing stick on my cheeks, nose and forehead and down area to get that glowy dewy finish on my face. I'm gonna blend it with my hands because I like the finish of my hands more than the brushes, and also this gives you a very nice natural look. Now again I'm using here my compact to set the base nicely and set my makeup so that it doesn't get moved anywhere to mattify my face. Now I'm gonna apply my lipstick from the down and then go at the top and complete it. I'm just doing little fast forward here so that again the video doesn't be too long and you guys might get bored to watch.
So yeah, this is my look for Diwali. So I really tried to keep it as simple as it could, and I also decided this time to go really simple. So this is how I do. I generally don't do my brows if there's anything special. Yeah, of course Diwali is very special, but today I didn't feel like doing my brows, so I'm just keeping it natural. And I hope you guys also enjoyed watching this video. So come, I'll show you my whole look. This is my outfit for Diwali. It's a long white pretty skirt with golden work on it. It's a very simple kurta. So yeah, this is my outfit.
This is how actually my makeup looks. I think I've done a good job. So for the accessories, I went with a necklace of my mom and some jhumka, beautiful ring, and hi guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy, then please do subscribe and join in the fun, and also wishing you all a very happy Diwali.